Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft if it keeps crashing or freezing. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, right-click on a blank space on your screen and then just click on Display Settings. Now, once you're in here, scroll all the way down until you find Graphics. Okay? Click on it. Now, in here, make sure that Optimizations for windowed games is turned on. Now, Advanced Graphics Settings right here, click on the drop-down, make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. Okay? If yours are already turned on, do not restart. If yours is turned off, and then once it loads, go ahead over to installations right here, and then find your game. For example, this release. Click on the three dots, click on Edit. Now scroll down and find more options. And then in here, just allocate RAM. Okay? So for example, you have a 16 gig, okay, of RAM. So what you'll do is set the XMS right here to 4, and then the other is half of it, or half of your RAM. Okay, again, if you have 16, half of it is 8, and half of 8 is 4. So 4 right here, or XMS, is the initial memory, and this one is the maximum memory. So if you set this value, or these values, it keeps the heap size constant and reduces the need for garbage collection to resize the memory, which can lead to better, more consistent performance. And then after that, just basically click on Save, hit on Play, and you should be good to go. That is how you fix Minecraft if it keeps crashing or freezing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.